Hey everybody, and welcome back. I know, Jamie is a slacker. I am. It has been delayed. I'm sorry. Have had several things going on, all of which I'll kind of be discussing some updates. I may need the disclaimer, I may not, I don't know. So if I do need the disclaimer, anything I discuss is alleged and allegations only. There, I'm done. I don't know if I will or not, so just in case. CYA. So the biggest thing is, as everybody knows, Ralph's and my anniversary is St. Patrick's Day. So since we just had our anniversary, we decided to make everything legal and official. So we are legally married, not just common law now. So he is officially locked down. It didn't take much punching for me to be like, yo, you're gonna marry me. Okay, I'm just kidding. So we're legally married, yay. The other update is the Court of Appeals. We got word back that we had to file our brief by April 22nd. I went ahead and filed it yesterday. So the district attorney has until April 22nd to also file their appeal brief, which I'm sure they will. Once the Court of Appeals has both of those briefs, they're going to review everything. They are either going to grant relief based off of everything that we have given them. They will remand it back, or they will remand it back to the district court and say, hey, district court, you missed, you actually need to review this and grant relief. So the district court would then be the one to grant relief, or they're going to deny it altogether. Regarding each of those situations, we have alternative plans of what we're going to do regarding all of those. So stay tuned for that. The other update is that you can go back and watch the 04 case video. I think it was number 2 or 4. I don't remember. Go back and watch that one. Catch you up to where we are in the 04 case. He and I have been discussing probably the last 6 to 7 months other avenues, potential avenues of relief that we can get on his current 04 case. So long story short, we are pursuing the first option. We are doing we just did a 35C. Excuse me, sorry. We did file a 35C yesterday because Denver District Court goes ahead and their pattern with Ralph is to deny it same day. I filed it yesterday. It was recorded yesterday. I'm sure they already denied it. I'm going to follow up tomorrow and find out. Stay tuned for the update on that. If they did deny it, as always, we're going to go ahead and file an appeal on that one as well. And we'll have 2 cases in the Court of Appeals. Yay, Colorado. So that's where we're at with those 2. The last thing, and to me, it's kind of the biggest thing, as everybody knows from the other videos and from, I'm sure word of mouth and everything, his interstate corrections compact situation, unfortunately, is not isolated. I do have information on 2 other people. I'm not going to disclose who those 2 people are. It will come out. But because of his treatment, because of the treatment within CDOC in general, medical is a huge issue. Conditions that people are kept in are an issue. The treatment of inmates overall is bad. And it doesn't matter what you're convicted of, you're still a human and you still have human rights. Your human rights to life and humane treatment do not end as soon as you're sentenced. And there needs to be accountability and oversight and awareness as far as what Colorado DOC is allowing to occur. With all that being said, everybody knows that's a massive passion of mine. That's one of the main reasons why this channel was created, is to bring attention and awareness. With all of that being said, I have been, and Ralph is aware of this, behind the scenes, I have been working on communicating with everything is Colorado. State legislators. I have communicated with the General Assembly, the Judiciary Committee, the Attorney General. I have opened a complaint with the Attorney General and they are doing some investigating as well. Several different aspects of all of that. I have received word back from a couple of legislators on the Judiciary Committee. I'm working on scheduling meetings with them to kind of inform them of all of these issues that are very present. With that being said, I have decided to go ahead and start a petition. Now, when you do a petition, you have to have specifics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to specifically call out DOC's lack of oversight and questionable budgetary decisions that they have had regarding food, medical care, lack thereof, and a whole bunch of different things. Now, I am at the very beginning stages of all of this. I'm just letting everybody know because once it is live and active, I am going to be posting it on our Facebook page. So if you're not following Facebook on our Facebook page, please hop over there and follow that. There's going to be a lot of information and updates on that Beyond a Sentence at Facebook. Same logo as this little channel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once the petition is live, I'm also going to be posting a video going into detail about what the petition is about. And it'll be a video just about the petition, and it'll also be linked in the comment section of that particular video. So there is way more to it than that, but I just wanted to kind of give a quick little video of some updates of everything that's been going on. The next video I do is going to be discussing the next part of Ralph's journey through Interstate Corrections Compact, going from Kirkland into Perry Correctional, which is where I kind of, like I said, I kind of enter the picture. So until then, everybody, thank you guys so much. Please, like I said, please hop over to the Facebook page and like and follow that page. There's going to be a ton of updates and things are actually starting to move. So it's going to be good. So hope everybody has a fantastic day. Thank you guys all again for the love and support, and we will catch you on the flip side.